Hello, Valentine. You're through to Honey.
Hello, Valentine.
Hello, honey. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm
Good,
fine.
good. Valentine, obviously I'm clairvoyant. I do mediumship as well. I do like to use angel cards. We can do a general or look in certain areas. It's up to you.
I wanted to send out energy because I, I just wanted to see how far I've gone with all the background stuff I've been doing over the 20 years and stuff like that. It's like my uncles run Christian churches
Yep.
and most of them are in the same church. And they taught me heritage version of running church work. And then I've done work with Medium Sharona, Blessed Be, and Third Eye Medium Miriam.
Okay, so do you do sort of like,
No, no, I will never do readings for no one, seriously. But I'm doing a humanitarian thing with a press company in Nigeria, kind of thing, over the problems that kids have when they get deliverance and stuff like that. We've
yeah,
even got an association with a prince, heritage prince, involved in it, and he's said that he's willing to back us on it.
yeah. So you're
So
doing sort of like refuges sort of for people, yes?
exactly that, exactly that,
Yes.
exactly that.
So the energy that I'm getting around this is sort of what you're meant to be doing, if that makes
Yeah,
sense. So
yeah. I know.
all this sort of beautiful energy.
I've been getting messages, prophecies, revelations, readings, and obviously that. But obviously I need a business life, so I've got a business as well, and
Yes,
that's lucrative as well.
yes. But what I'm sort of trying to say, let's say, is that sort of the refugee sort of work that you're doing, I'm going to say it's like it's healing work that you're doing, because you said, you want to see sort of what energy that you're putting out. Well, you're putting out very positive energy, and it feels like this is part of your life journey of sort of, I'm going to say sort of like spiritual teacher,
Yeah, it is.
because,
It
yes,
is.
because it
Yeah,
is
it
sort
is.
of you helping others, but it's also on that healing level as well.
Yeah,
So the energy that you've certainly been putting out is incredibly positive. Coming from you is very positive energy. Very positive.
did I try and send something out to you?
Sorry, darling?
Did I try and send something out, energy out to you?
No, that's okay, thank you. I work with the angels, so I've got lots of divine
No, no,
energy.
no, for you to pick up and see if readings change.
Yes, if you want to, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Alright, cool. So what do I do? How do we focus together?
Well, you just focus, and I'm just focusing on your voice vibration. So I'm already connected to your energy.
Alright, cool.
We'd just like to let you know that you've reached the end of your prepaid credit. If you wish to continue on with this call, your card will be charged for the additional time used.
You still okay to carry on, Valentine?
Yeah, it is.
So I'm picking up a lot of wisdom energy from you. A lot of wisdom. That's what's coming through. You're very good at manifesting as well. My goodness.
Yeah,
Very good at manifesting. I'm gonna say this. The energy that I'm picking up is like divine guidance that is actually coming from you. It does feel like you are a channel, but your work is different to, let's say, what I do. I'm a channel through sort of giving people readings. Your energy is more, it's more sort of looking at the energy of how they can fulfill themselves, if that makes sense, and helping them and giving them guidance in their everyday sort of living energy, if that makes sense. That's what I'm picking up from you. But I'm getting a lot of wisdom, a lot of manifesting. You're very good at manifesting.
Let's change it. You see it?
Okay. I keep getting sort of family energy as well. And I'm also sort of getting connected to, you know, like with American Indians, that they have totems.
That's what Grace picked up on. I wanted to tell her that if it's my mother, a woman, it might be on my dad's side kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because the spirituality, because like in the church they were saying I'm Mummy Water, if you get what I mean. And Mummy Water is a water, no, they said I'm Emery. Emery is like, you know, those undersea spirits kind of. So it's just people that worship something and at night they sleep in a forest or under the sea kind of thing. So on the father side, the heritage, one part of it, I got heritage on my father's side, and another part, I got heritage to a particular spirit kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, the energy that I'm picking up from this, like the American Indians, I'm seeing sort of like a totem.
I'm Nigerian, totems, Nigerian.
Yeah, and I'm seeing a wolf.
Yeah.
So in the sort of the totem energy, I'm seeing like, you know, they have wolves, owls, all kinds of, but I'm seeing a wolf energy around you because I'm getting like a lot of family spirit around you.
The forest. Yeah.
So the family would be a pack, you know, like the wolves, they go in a pack, don't they, when they're sort of going around the woods.
The forest.
Yeah.
Let me send one more. You see this?
Keep getting a lot of air energy around you as well.
Yeah.
A lot of air.
Yeah.
I just keep getting a lot of wisdom and knowledge around you. Sort of coming from your, I'm going to say your ancestors is the energy that I'm getting.
Yeah. It's more ancestral. Yeah. You're right. That's why they taught me heritage. That's the thing. They taught me heritage. They sat me down and said, boy, blah, blah, this is what you got to do. Then I continued with my university. Final one.
Okay?
What do you pick up?
I'm picking up a lot of love energy. And I would say, how would I put it? I'm sort of like seeing the energy of, it's same as manifesting, but it's got an energy of making things happen in a sort of a very sort of magical way, that I'm seeing around you.
I'll explain what I sent out. So the first one was a victory sword. Victory sword.
Uh-huh.
That if I got negative dreams, I use it, I pray to it to give me victory in the situation.
Yes.
The second one is just sending out water, normal common stuff. Third one is air,
Yeah, I was picking up on the air energy.
and the fourth one was me trying to appear to you.
Yeah, the energy on the last one, I'm picking up a lot of sort of like magical, happiness energy, and plus I was seeing sort of like a bluebird,
Yeah,
but magical energy in a good way, like, you know, sort of bringing happiness to people.
yeah, yeah.
I think the victory sword to me was more around the wolf energy that I was picking up on, and the sort of the wisdom and the knowledge.
Yeah.
But I was certainly picking up the air energy around you as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there anything else you want to say to me? Words of wisdom?
So you said that you're doing university as well, correct?
No, I done that 20 years ago. When I was 20.
Oh, when you was okay.
When I was 20, I went uni when I was 20. 44 now. So, I do retailing now in the West End. Acquisition. The acquisition in the West End.
If I said to you that I'm seeing something that you're needing to put boundaries in, it's not like negative energy, but I'm seeing you sort of like closing the door on something and then you sort of sending out forgiveness. Does that make sense?
Yes, because it's, just, a situation that's happening. A lot of changes because I got a lot of projects, future projects that could get big. So some people feel a different way. Best of friends feel different. New friends feel differently. Something like that.
Yeah.
New friends become best friends, and best friends become old friends.
But the energy that I'm getting from this is that there's something that you're needing close the door on. I'm seeing like end of a chapter and then just like putting forgiveness energy into it as you're closing the door.
Yeah, and that's going alone kind of thing. Just climb the door on something. Just going alone with the new company, the new version of the company, with the charity and the new version of the company.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lots of blessings to you. You take care. Bye bye.